Okay, so I just installed the software for this. So let me see if I can figure this out. So here you go. This is my first time actually looking at the software. So I have this fan here that I've been curious and concerned about for years now. I had my computer upgraded to 128 gigabytes and I had a larger hard drive installed for more space when I started uploading more gameplay, more animation videos, just vlog videos in general. So I have a fan here. I pulled out the box. I've been very curious about this thing. It's called the H100i Elite Performance 240 milliliter RGB liquid CPU cooler, right? It's basically a fan. And the RGB lights are just flashing nonstop. So, and I got this, they gave the computer back after they installed everything. I would say I'm going to go with the beginning of 2022. That's what I'm going to go with. I don't think it's 2021 because my computer was still down. I think it began in 2022, potentially began in 2023, but I want to say 2022. Anyway, I just went through my BIOS on my computer and that didn't disable the lights. And I looked down there and I'm like, the lights are coming from this. The same design here, the shark fin design, is coming from this freaking Corsair fan. So I'm going to try to figure out, uh, show you how to disable it here. Okay, so I just updated everything. Here's the dashboard they're showing me. This is what the new home looks like. You have murals here. So, right now, I'm going to record on the phone down here so you can see. I'm recording on my phone so you can see what I've been talking about. And I'll turn the lights off too. This is what I've been dealing with. So, you see it has RGB. Now, I'm going to go ahead and let's just do like the Corsair one blue. I think the default is rainbow. I don't even want to imagine interstellar. That stuff's insane. So I'm going to press one blue. And it's blue. It's not changing. So I can work with that. Yeah, static color. It's white now. Static color. I'm leaving it on that. I can change the name to white. So there you go. That's what it looks like. Okay, now that's changed. Now apparently I can also reduce the fan. So I need to figure that out next year. Oh wait, so let's see, lighting effects. That's just on static for now. There's cooling. And so I'm reading about this. Because apparently it can create a high frequency noise. And I'm not sure what I'm talking about. I typed it in on Google to see if it's related to dizziness. And balance, extreme, or quiet. I'm curious what quiet does. Hopefully my computer doesn't overheat or anything like that. But I'll leave that one unbalanced. There's a quiet preset. Alright. So there you go. It's all on quiet now. And hopefully, I mean, I don't really see. Let me see. I'm just curious if I hear it different. I don't think I'm going to hear anything right now. I don't think so. But there you go. It's a static white right now. I like that. I wish I could make it lower, the brightness. But I think for now this is good. And I'm just going to see, how I feel after this. But basically, this is how you change it on this device. And I'll show you right now what I was talking about, what I was researching. Again, I have been experiencing dizziness and imbalance since February 9th, 2023. I stood up from the computer. I was working remotely with a game company called Deck 9 Games as a junior animator. Oh, it just sort of went dark down there. Interesting. Like the white light went off and it sort of went dark down there. That was interesting. But yeah, so I've been experiencing and that's back on, huh? This is lights off and this interesting. I think I'll leave this on for now. Just to make sure it's turned on. Right now it's just solid white, but when I press this the light goes off. Computer went completely dark. Hmm. But that's fine. There's no RGB. That's what I'm looking for. But anyway, yeah, I've been experiencing that dizziness in like February 9th, 2023. I stood up from the computer. I got off of work after Deck 9 Games, and I felt like I was going to fall over. So I'm actually in physical therapy for balance therapy right now. I don't think it's going to do anything, to be honest. So I don't think the physical therapy is really going to do anything. So that's what I've been doing. Just spending money on that, unfortunately. But I just wanted to show how to change this in case anyone's curious. So right now it's just a static white. And again, I recorded on my phone. But again, when I press this option, it goes, I'm not recording it right now, but the computer goes completely dark here. I might leave it like this, honestly. I think the fan is still going. But I'll make sure I check the temperatures and everything to make sure nothing is affected. I'm just going to leave it off. So right now it's sort of completely dark in here. But anyway, I just want to show you how to change that RGB lighting. And then I'll show you what I'm talking about right here, what I researched. Oh, so I'm back in the app and I just figured something else out here. So when I click here, I press here, boom, here's the brightness. Let me see. I'm curious. 0% like what that does down here. And again, this is what, yeah, that was it, right? This is the one. So this is for the little square symbol. So there's two separate ones. That and then there's the other device. And it is changing. I'll record another video so you can see. So it's at 50%. Look, I lowered 0%, 100%. So it was at 100 like that. I'm just gonna leave it on 0. So now I can leave it on the first option there. There you go. Figured all that out, and I think I have the fan lower. There you go. Okay. So this is what I was talking about. This is what I typed in. And then I saw it said on Google here. Look at this. Audible distress. So, and it may be affecting me and I'm not sure. So let's see how I'm doing in like a week. And this will confirm this has been my problem, right? The cyber sickness. I've noticed I also just reduced my monitor from 144 hertz to 60. I'm going back to 60 and I'm doing this at the same time. So there's no confirmation which one will solve the issue. If it does, I'm hoping this does solve my problem because this has been debilitating. It's been like a crutch on my life. I know it's like it sounds like I'm telling you, everywhere I go, I walk like a penguin. It feels like I'm going to fall over. I have no balance anymore. So, and that'll be pretty insane if it is caused by this. And I was trying to pinpoint everything, and it wasn't until And I noticed, and I said this multiple times, and no one believed me, but in my family, I kept saying when I got this computer back, whatever they did to the computer, right? They installed the new hard drive, but then there's also the new fan and the power supply as well. I haven't checked on the power supply, nothing I can really do about that, but at least the fan. Before I didn't have the RGB colors. Before I had it was a red light computer. It was a solid color. It was a different computer, and before that was a green. It was a green computer before that. But those are solid colors. This is the first computer where I've had like RGB. So I went through here, read this, and I'm like, oh, I can look up the Corsair, the ICUE, um, IQ. I don't know how it's pronounced. I can look up the software, download it. Better than Steel Series. So, but yeah, my Steel Series mouse still has, but I don't think it's the Steel Series mouse. Um, so I'm curious about the RGB. Now again, the computer's down low. It's under the table. So I wouldn't think it would affect me, but it is sort of bouncing off the lights and everything. And again, and then there's supposedly the hum that can cause it. So I'll see how I'm doing in a week. Anyway, that's how you disable that annoying RGB lighting for this Corsair H100 Elite Performance fan. For me, it was coming from the fan. And I also disabled the one in my actual BIOS on the computer. I disabled that before I did this as well. So that's all I have. But yeah, you can see all the warnings here, and I'll see what happens. Maybe it'll work here, and maybe my life will improve. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.